today we have our new drum heads and meron kaming itatry na bagong drum heads ngayon, Evans. Okay, Evans level 360. Okay, hydraulic red, tama ba ako doon? And another bass drum head. Okay, and we're going to install it today. So, gawin na natin. Simulan muna natin ngayon sa bass drum. Pakita natin. We're going to remove first. Hawakan natin. Then, we could remove from the down yung bubabag na. Ano yung binatanggal natin ngayon? Yung carved na Evans na bass drum head. Plus, panoorin na lang ninyo sa ating channel. Okay, anong previous. Okay. So, yung mas may attack. So, ang specifications niya, define on the attack, very short sa sustain, at yung tone niya mid-level lang. Brightness niya and extended durability, medyo mas matibay-tibay siya. Okay, try natin. Let's lang. Okay. Move pa natin. Tingnan natin maging result. Though technically wala pa tayong mic, wala pa tayong microphones. Ilalagay natin tong hydraulic red. This is designed for gospel and rock. More on attack, defined, then short sustain, then darker. This is darker, and durability is more on focus on the durability. Okay, so ito yung itsura niyan. Red partner dun sa ano natin, sa drums natin na DW performance red. From Aquarian, we're going to use the Evans with hydraulic. Sa ibang brand sa Remo, they were using the term with oil. Okay, so passes tayo. Gusto natin yan. Angat natin. Change this later on. Okay, ito yung papalitan natin. Yan ang papalitan natin. Okay, so we're going to change the 3-year-old, 4 years old. 4-year-old drum heads. Okay? Pasa naman doon, patong natin doon. Then the other one, this is 12-inch maple shell. Okay? So this is the Aquarian. So papalitan natin yan ng isa pa. Palitan natin yan ng 12-inch. Same. Bigger head lang siya. Bigger diameter lang siya. Yan. Okay, so 10-inch, 12-inch. Okay. Try to change also the floor tom, the 14-inch floor tom. Okay. Then the other one. So this is 14-inch. 14-inch floor tom. Pakihawak ko nila. Mabigat talaga ito. Parang itong bass drum eh. Mabigat sa standard na bass drum. Okay? I'm going to change this. Yung kanina, 14-inch yung kanina. So basically, we're gonna be using the same type. Okay? Same type. And this is the specifications. 14-inch ito, yung kaninang floor tom din gagamitin natin. Okay. Yan. So meron siyang oil. Okay. And for this, we're gonna be using the same type but a bigger dimension. Basically, this is approximately 1,000 plus pesos per drum head. 1,000 plus pesos only. Okay, so this is a 14-inch DW Naglagay kami ng drum mics. Pakinggan natin ang magiging tunog ng lahat ng buong drums na to with the new drum heads. How about just to? Sa mga gustong na i-try namin yung ibang drum heads, comment lang kayo o pwede kayo mag-question sa amin. Follow us and like us. Subscribe to our channel. Maraming salamat. Again, I am Mark with Mark. Kasi Mark, I am MarkYulo. Okay? See you soon guys. Thank you. God bless. Take care. Bye-bye.